Good morning to all. Our group number is 19 and our topic is higher purchase system in India. The group members are Prasad Mandekar, Ajay Kodge, Shubham Khade and Karan Gowde. So let's start to our topic of higher purchase system in India. Hire purchase system is a system of purchase of a goods where and the buyer pays the price of a goods purchased from the seller in installment, but ownership will remains with the seller till the last installment is paid. Definition of hire purchase. According to the Hire Purchase Act of 1972, an agreement under which goods are let on hire, under which the buyer has an option to purchase them in accordance with the terms of agreement and includes an agreement under which first possession of goods is delivered by the owner thereof the person on hire condition that such person pays the amount in payments. The property of a goods will be passed to such a person on a payment of the last installment. There are generally three parties involved in the hire purchase transaction. First one is hire vendor, second financing company, third hire purchaser. First one is hire vendor or seller who sells the assets to the hirer. Second is financing company is the link of payment between the seller and the purchaser. It pays the amount to the seller and accepts the installment from hirer. Third, hire purchaser or hirer is the who purchase the assets from vendor or seller. Ownership and possession. Hirer or purchaser immediately get possession, but ownership will remain with seller or vendor till the last installment is paid. Installment. Installment is an agreed period of time. Return of assets. Hirer can return the assets before the end of agreement. Transfer of assets. The hirer cannot sell or transfer the assets to the another party. Default in payment. When the hirer doesn't pay installment payment, the seller can take away the assets with him. Assets involves in this agreements are the car, bikes, computers, electronic goods, furniture, machinery, equipment, refrigerator, etc. Down payment. It is generally between 50 to 20% of purchase price.
Purchase agreement. The asset in hire purchase agreement. The retail price and hire purchase price of asset. Number of installment and date of each installment. Name and address of all parties involved in agreement. Cost involved, documentation fee, interest, penalty fee. Hire purchase process. First, the buyer visits the store and asks seller for hire purchase system to make purchase of an asset. Second, the buyer select goods and express desire to purchase on hire purchase basis. Third, the customer then make the down payment. Fourth, the dealer contact the finance company to finance the hire purchase deal. Fifth, the seller send the document to finance company. Sixth, the finance company decide to accept the offer, verify and sign the document and send back to the seller. 7. The seller then deliver the goods to hirer. 8. Hirer start making payment of installment to finance company.